All right, today we're gonna put some of the bushings back in these A-arms and get back on the Sportsman 570. So basically, took out all the old bushings. They were pretty wore out, sloppy, had some slack in it. You can see all the old ones here. So we went ahead and took the hub ones out. Now the hub bushings from Garage Product comes with a new centerpiece. So we're gonna lay the old ones to the side, lay all these old bushings. I just wanted to show you how bad shape they were before we put the new ones in. Basically what we're going to do, just put a little bit of tacky wheel bearing grease around these. I cleaned up around the hubs inside where everything rides best I can, sprayed them out, took a rag, ran through them, got a lot of it out. A little tackiness on there. Now the hub doesn't have a Zerk fitting, so I want to be a little generous with this to get this in. Tap, get that off there. Now what I want to do is just go ahead and put a little tack on here. Take the old one, set it up there. Put one more little tap here and we'll get it flushed in there. Sorry, these gloves always make it a little slippery. That is it, man. Get that in there. Put that off to the side. Oh, let me give it a rag. Try to keep these gloves clean. They get a little slippery, but I'm trying to not get all messy either. So basically it's going to be the same thing with the A-arms. I'm going to go ahead and put a little tack grease around these. It goes in the side. Now the A-arms have the Zerk fitting, so we're able to keep some good grease in them in between rides. And hopefully keep all the dirt and mud pushed out. So tap them in. Now there might be some people do it quite a different way, so I might put the rod in with it. Not really sure. You know, I guess it's a preference for everybody. I don't on which way you want to do this. I'll go ahead and lather this one up some. That started. Get some more good tacky grease on this one. Put it over, line it up. flush, get the excess off there. Make sure this side's good. Everything looks nice and flush. Clean this out a little bit. Had a little bit of more dirt that it pushed through. Try to get all that I could out of there. And basically going to do the same concept here on these little ones. Guys, this is really going to be just a few of the small videos I've tried to do like this, so I'm hopefully going to get a little better as I go. I did not get new sway bar bushings just yet. I'll get some of those, and you can always change those while the A-arms and everything's on the machine. But this is my daughter's Polaris Sportsman 570. I took it on a trip a while back to Minrock, and the axle and the axle and wheel bearing started making some noises, so that's what prompted all the changes going on. I borrowed it, so I'm going to fix it for her. I did not have my KRX at the time, so I don't want to be in a little booger. Let's see. I'm going to try something on this one. Hold on. I don't want to booger up the edge here, so I'm going to slide that bolt through there and see if I can knock that on in there like that. Oh, push my bushing out. See if we can't. I said there might be a way to use the press over there, and I'll probably will start doing that, figuring out a way to make up something for the press to put these in. And if y'all got any tips or ideas, leave them in the comments. I'm always open to learning and seeing other ideas on how to do this. tap on that. There we go, man. Alright, there's the old one. I usually keep these around. You never know what you might need them for, or somebody just needs one, don't want to buy a whole set of bushings and stuff, you know. Just don't know what you might need them for. Cut them down for spacers of some sort. Alright, so we got the hub one in, the A-arm, and I'll put these A-arms, these are smaller. These don't have any Zerk fittings either, but they do have the O-ring here. Try to keep some